Hey guys, I'm Steve.
And I'm Rose. We're full-time RVers, and for the last couple of years we've been traveling around this great country of ours in our Grand Design Reflection fifth wheel.
Been a fantastic journey. So much so we want to share our adventures with our friends and family. So we're going to join the YouTube movement and start a brand new channel,
Ramblin Reflections.
Our content's going to include campground drive-thrus, campground reviews, some DIY projects, some modifications and installations, and of course beautiful scenes from the road.
We hope you enjoy it. If so, please make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to ring that bell so you won't miss an episode.
Oh, and by the way, there'll be plenty of outtakes.
There's a lot more of that than usable footage for sure.
So make sure you stick around to the end of the videos. So we wanted to share some about it. Oh, my tongue's too big. Hey, I'm Steve.
And I'm Rose. We're full-time. I heard that.
Yeah, I did take a breath. Hey, I'm Steve.
And I know what. Use some hand. All right, let's try again.
Just tap me when you're ready to go. Like that. I tap. You dropped one. What is that? Farty smell?
I know.
So much so we want to say.
It's the smell.
I'm Steve.
And I'm Rose. We're full-time RVers, and for the last couple of years we've been traveling around this great country of ours. What?
Watching a bug. Hey, be serious.
Okay, stop.
All right.
Stop looking. Squirrel. Okay.
Hey guys.
Reflection fifth wheel.
God, I couldn't even get the first word of that.